Hi guys, welcome back. Windows 11 26H1 is finally here, and if you want to try this latest Windows version on your PC, then this video is for you. Today I will show you exactly how to install it on your PC. So without further delay, let's quickly get into it. First of all, as you can see on my desktop, I already have the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file downloaded. Don't worry, if you don't have this ISO file yet, at the end of this video, I will show you exactly how you can download the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. So for now, let's move on to creating the bootable USB drive. Now first open your browser and search for Rufus. Open the official Rufus website. Now scroll down to the download section and click on the latest Rufus executable file. Once downloaded, open the Rufus executable. Since Rufus is a portable application, there is no installation required. Okay, so simply click on that and Rufus is ready to use. Next, you need to connect your USB flash drive to this computer. So in my case, I am going to using a 64 GB USB drive. Once connected, Rufus should automatically detect the USB drive. And please note that all data inside the USB drive will be erased during this process. So make sure you have backed up any important files beforehand. Now click the select button and browse to the location where you saved the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. Select the ISO file and click open. Then leave all other settings at their default values. After that, just click on start. If you receive Windows User Experience Customization option, select the options according to your requirements and click OK. Now you will see a warning message indicating that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Simply click OK to continue. Now wait while Rufus creates the bootable USB drive. This process may take several minutes depending on the speed of your USB drive and system. Once the status changes to ready, that means your bootable Windows 11 26H1 USB drive has been created successfully. Now let me show you the drive layout on my computer. And as you can see, this F drive is the bootable USB drive that we just created. And this D drive is the partition where I am going to install Windows 11 26H1. Now let's boot from the USB drive and begin the installation process. Okay. So first you need to restart your computer, and during startup, press the boot menu key. Depending on your system manufacturer, this boot menu key may be F9, F10, F11, F12 or escape. So from the boot menu, you need to select your USB drive and the Windows setup screen will now load. Once the setup screen appears, select your preferred language, time and currency format. Then click next. Select keyboard or input method, then click next. Select install Windows 11 and check the agree options over here and then click on next. If prompted for a product key, you can click I don't have a product key, then accept the license terms. After that, setup will begin loading the required files. You will now see all available drives and partition over here. So you need to carefully locate the D drive where you want to install Windows 11 26H1. And make sure you select the correct option. After selecting the D drive, then click next. These options allow us to perform a clean installation. So just click on install. Windows setup will now start copying files and installing the operating system. This process may take some time. Your computer will restart several times automatically during the installation process. So no action is required from your side. Okay. Now Windows may check for updates. If you see the update screen, just click update later to continue without installing updates right now. The PC will restart once again and continue with the setup process. After the restart, you will eventually reach the sign in with Microsoft account screen. If you want to create a local account instead of signing in with a Microsoft account, you just simply press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard and this will open the command prompt window. And now here you need to type the command ncpa.cpl and press enter. This will open the network connection window. After that, what you will do, just right click on that active network adapter and select disable. Once the network connection is disabled, just close the network connection window and the command prompt window also. Now just click on sign in and you should now get the options to continue without connecting to the network. So here you need to enter your desired username and click next. If you want, you can create a password for your account, otherwise simply leave it blank and click next to skip this step. Okay. Now follow the remaining on-screen instruction to complete the setup process. And after a few moments, Windows will finish preparing everything and load the desktop. And there we go. We have successfully installed Windows 11 26H1. And as you can see, the new desktop is now fully loaded and ready to use. So let's verify the Windows version. So press Windows plus R to open the run box, and here you need to type Winver and press enter. And you can see that Windows 11 26H1 is successfully installed on this computer. So that's it, Windows 11 26H1 has been installed successfully. You can now start using your PC and configure everything just the way you like. Now, as promised earlier, let me quickly show you how to download the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. So for that, first you need to open your browser and visit the UUP Dump website. And use the search box to search for Windows 11 26H1 build. Then select the latest available build and choose your preferred language. Select the edition you want to download and continue through the remaining options and create the download package. Then extract the download zip file and run the included download script. The script will automatically download all required files from Microsoft Server and create the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. If you need a complete step-by-step demonstration, check out my dedicated Windows 11 26H1 ISO downloaded video linked in the description below. So that's how you can create a Windows 11 26H1 bootable USB drive using Rufus and perform a complete installation on your PC. If this video helped you guys, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.